Hello everyone, good morning. Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in the life. This is actually a collaboration with my YouTuber friend Karen from our Irish family. I have loved her channel for ages. I love watching all her videos, but I'm gonna let her tell you a little bit more about her channel, so take it away, Karen.
Hey guys, my name is Karen. I am a mum of one from Ireland. I have a 2-year-old little girl, and if you were interested in seeing our day and what we got up to, I would love if you check out my video after you have watched Liliana's. If you are interested in decluttering, cooking, cleaning, budgeting, that sort of stuff, grocery hauls, other hauls, I have all of that. Come over to my channel, Our Irish Family, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much to Liliana for agreeing to do a collab with me, and yeah, I will see you over on my channel.
So if you are coming over from Karen's channel, hi, welcome. I hope you like it here. My channel is all about the home, and that includes hauls, shopping, etc. I hope you enjoy it and stay a while, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, and I would love to have you here on my channel. With that being said, let's get into this day in the life. It's almost time for me to go to work, and if you're new here and you don't know, I work at my son's school during the lunch hour, and yes, so I work for about an hour and 10 minutes. But hello Ethel, what is it? Demanding little girl, this one. So anyway, I've just got Alex's lunch ready. I'm ready. I just need to put on my coat. It is a little bit cold today. It's pretty miserable. Yes, but before I go, I wanted to show you. My friend got me this. It's Robinson's crushed lime and mint. It's a cordial, and it's so delicious. This is the second bottle she got me. I've got one in the fridge, and it's so summery, so refreshing. I really recommend you try that out. I'm going to show you what the weather is like through my back garden. Hold on a second. It is really quite grey. I think it will probably rain. It's quite chilly. I know some of you wanted to see a bit more of my garden, so here it is. It's looking a bit messy, and we haven't done much with it this year because we're moving this summer, so here is the little madam. We've got some flowers, and again, if you don't know, we are a military family, so we move quite a lot, and we're moving this summer, so all the pots you see actually belong to us, and basically that's the nicest and easiest way we found to take a garden with us wherever we go. So we'll get to our new house and put all these pot plants down, and boom, you've got a garden set up. And we've got loads of toys. That little shed there is Alex's, and we are probably going to sell it because he never uses it, and it will be a pain to transport to the new house. This shed here came with a house, so it will stay. But yeah, this is our garden furniture. And anyway, so once I come back from work, I plan to do some cooking, some baking, because we have nothing in the house. I also want to clear out my fridge. It's looking a bit messy. And if you know me, you know that I like a good, nice, clean fridge. But I'm going to show you. It's just looking like pretty messy. Just needs a quick tidy up. But I know you can see those. Those are pretty empty. There's enough butter there to like butter a dish. So I've kept them to use to, you know, like when I'm baking or something like that. So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys when I come back from work. See you in a little bit. I'm back from lunch. I bet I wasn't gone that long for you guys. Anyway, I've just made myself some lunch. Let me show you. Got a bit of a salad. It's literally just lettuce, some olives, some cooked chicken, and then I put some Caesar salad dressing on top, and I've got an apple for afters and some of that lovely squash with lime and mint in it. And I'm just going to take about 20 minutes, sit down, eat my lunch, watch some YouTube videos before I do something else. See you in a bit. So I've just put a cake in the oven. I was going to make carrot cake, which is like our favourite, but I don't have any eggs, which I realised this morning when I was going to make breakfast. I intended to do some scrambled eggs with spinach and ham and ended up having it without the eggs, and then completely forgot again. It's basically because I never run out of eggs, ever. So anyway, I scraped the carrot cake recipe and ended up googling and finding a vegan chocolate cake. So I've just made that. It's in the oven. I'll show you once it's ready, but I will definitely share the recipe below and I'll let you know if it's any good. So now I'm gonna sort of clear out my fridge. Like I showed you earlier, it's looking a bit of a mess, so let's just do that. Okay, it's done. It was literally just a quick tidy up and a wipe down. I've put all the meats and cheese into this little thing with individual trays. Yeah, just cleared out anything that wasn't supposed to be there. This has got some seafood and some fish underneath. Keep my water here just to stop it rolling around. Leftover chicken, some sausage rolls, the veg, cheese and dairy and anything that's unopened. Oh. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to cook these up for dinner. I'm just going to boil them very quickly in some broth and they'll be delicious. So I've just started prepping dinner. The livers are in there and they're going to cook for about 20 minutes and then they'll be done. And I've prepped some potato wedges and I've just added some peppers and I'm going to roast this. I'm going to take advantage that the cake is in. Once the cake is out, I'll put those in and it takes a good hour to get them nice and cooked. That'll be dinner. Don't know if I'm going to make some sort of sauce to go with it. I'll have to see how it goes. So this is what our dinner ended up looking like. Not sure if this isn't going to be a little bit dry, but I quickly pan fry them with garlic to give it a bit more taste. They're the roasted wedges and roasted peppers and some sweet corn. It's now way after dinner. It's almost 7:30. We've just been spending some family time together and Alex is about to go to bed. So I've got to clean up the kitchen, but let me show you. Yep, a proper mess. Here's the cake. It's actually super tasty and super moist. I don't know if you guys can see that, but really moist. It's not overly sweet. It's made with cocoa powder and not actual chocolate, and the recipe asked for a fudge icing, but I didn't do that. So, but anyway, I'll definitely recommend it and there'll be a link below. Let's get this done. Oh, I've got to empty the dishwasher because I forgot to run it, so I didn't run it until earlier, so it will probably still be a bit hot. But anyway, let's get started. It for this vlog. Thank you to Karen for doing this with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.